Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Our question today, as always, is an interesting question. Where do the graphs of x plus y equals 16 and x squared plus y squared equals 178 meet? Well, I always find it useful to do a little sketch, if I can, of what we're talking about. Now, this first equation here can be written as y equals 16 minus x, and graphed pretty simply, that is 16, that is 16. This one, it's a circle, and it's got a radius of the square root of that, 178. Now, 13 squared is 169, 14 squared is 196. This is somewhere in between. We don't have to be too precise. We're looking at 13 point something as the radius of our circle, and that may well give us 2 points there. We are looking most likely for 2 points. Right, so how do we go about this? Well, we need to solve a simultaneous equation, and in order to solve that, we need to find an equation to work with. Now, we have two variables here, but we have an expression for one of them. So, x squared plus 16 minus x all squared equals 178. So all we have to do is expand this and tidy it up a little bit. So x squared plus 256 minus 32x plus x squared equals 178. A little bit more tidying. 2x squared minus 32x. 178 from 256 leaves us what? 256 minus 178, 78. What have we got here? We've got plus 78 equals 0. Okay, well, can we factorize this? Yes, I think we can, and pretty simply. X squared minus 16x plus half of 78, 39 equals 0. We're going to factorize this, and that's going to work out nicely. 39 is not a prime number. It does actually have some factors, and they are 3 and 13. And in this case, they are both negative. X and x, and put the 2 there, don't forget the 2. But this is what we're interested in. X is going to equal 3, or x is going to equal 13. And in order to get the y coordinates of this, all we have to do is put our values of x into this. And so we get 16 minus 3 and 16 minus 13. And there we have it. We've got our coordinates. Let me just do that formally for you. Y is equal to 16 minus 3, which equals 13, or y is equal to 16 minus, 13, which equals 3. Did I say that equals 3? It doesn't. 16 minus 3 equals 13. So those are our x and y values, 3 and 13, and 13 and 3. I hope you found that interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.